So one great thing about Edpuzzle is the gradebook. You can go into gradebook here and you can see everything that you have assigned your students. Now I've only assigned 2 things to my students, but you can see their total score out of the one that I did score, and you can see the time spent on each one of the students, how much time they spent actually watching the video. Now this one, I said that I did this one this week. I need to go back in here and I need to score it. So these ones were pretty much open-ended questions, and if I go in there, I can see okay, so this one needs to be graded, and he answered the questions here, and they look correct, so I'm going to go ahead and put that, yes, he got that one correct. This one's correct. This one's correct. This one's correct, and so on. So if you got any of these incorrect, I would press this, and then it would give him the points. So then it would automatically score that. It shows it here at the top, the correct responses, and then if you go back into the grade book, you can see that as well here once I'm done grading the entire thing. So if you go back into the student, then you can go here, and then just right up here makes it really easy to go to the next student, and the next, and the next, and so on. And then once you correct all of those, they'll show up here nicely in your grade book. And then you can export this gradebook to an Excel sheet, which is awesome.